going to dive into Magic School AI. This tool is designed to help simplify the way we create, manage, and analyze our student assessments. Magic School's platform allows you to easily create a variety of assessments, from multiple choice questions to detailed rubrics that are tailored to your teaching goals and your students' needs. First thing we're going to look at when we log into Magic School are 3 different options that really help you tailor your assessments. The first one is the Magic School multiple choice quiz and assessment. We also have the rubric generator and depth of knowledge questions. So first, let's look at how we can use Magic School AI to create a custom rubric. Rubrics are an essential part of assessment, but they can often be time-consuming to make. With Magic School, you can quickly design rubrics that align to specific learning objectives and skills. So I'm going to click on Magic School Rubric Generator. Once I am in the rubric generator, I can have AI write a rubric for an assignment that I'm creating for my class in a table format. So once you get to this page, you can click on your grade level. I'm going to choose 4th grade. You can change the point scale from 3 to 7. I'm going to do a 4-point scale. The next area is where you're going to include your standard or your objective. So I'm going to put the objective as students will be able to write an argumentative essay. The next component is your assignment description. So this is where you're going to let Magic School understand a little bit more about your assignment. So I'm going to have Magic School write a persuasive essay that convinces the reader to change a school policy. I'm going to have them create a rubric for that. You can also add additional customization for the rubric. For example, here they said be sure to include supporting arguments as a category assessed. So you can really think about what you want Magic School to create on your rubric and add that for additional customization. So now I'm simply going to click Generate. And as you can see, within seconds, Magic School created a customized rubric for me on my 4th grade persuasive essay. It lists the criteria, and it also gave the scoring and gave additional information about the total points and explained the difference between 4, which is exceeding expectations, all the way down to 1 point for below expectations. You can then copy this so that you could paste it into a Word doc or a Google Doc. You can also edit anything on the rubric that you want to change. Another action on the free version is you can translate this rubric into a variety of different languages. So if I click Translate it to Spanish, it will translate the above rubric into Spanish. So this is a great tool for when you're designing assessments and you want a rubric for your students to be able to follow along to see how they are doing on that topic or objective. The next tool I'm going to show you is the multiple choice quiz assessment. This is a fantastic tool for creating quizzes or quick assessments on any topic. Magic School AI can generate a multiple choice questions in seconds based on the content that you input. So again, here I'm going to choose the grade level. You can choose the number of questions from 5 to 20. The next, you're going to list your standard, your topic, text, or a description of the assessment. The more specific you are, the more tailored your multiple choice quiz is going to be. So I'm going to put in the topic of literary devices. And I'm going to click Generate. And as you can see, Magic School provided me with a multiple choice quiz and assessment for my students in 4th grade. You can then copy this and put it into a Google Doc or Word doc. And again, you also have the option to translate the quiz as well. The last tool I'm going to show you is the DOK question. This helps me generate questions based on a topic or standard for each of the 4 depth of knowledge levels. So here I can input the grade level again, list your topic, standard, or objective. I'll stay with literary devices. When I click generate, it's going to give me a list of questions at each of the different DOK levels. So starting with DOK level 1, more of the recall type questions, all the way up to level 4, which are those extended thinking, analyzing, critiquing type questions. Again, you could copy this into a Google Doc or a Word doc. You can also edit it if there's any questions that you want to edit or change, and you can also translate it into a different language for your student. So again, there's a variety of different tools in Magic School AI. The 3 tools that I shared with you today, the rubric generator, the multiple choice quiz, and the DOK question generator, are fantastic tools to help you when you're assessing your students. Thank you for spending the time with me, and I hope you enjoy all of the different options that Magic School has for educators.